Hi guys, tara samahan nyo kami pumunta sa Philippine Store. And ano siya, 3 hours and 18 minutes, ganun siya kalayo. And then, I brought my own coffee para hindi na bibili. I don't know, I'm gonna try it first. Good. Asawa ko gumawa. And spring na dito, almost spring. I think may hinihintay pa kaming snow na lang na isang beses, pero hindi na siya ganun kalakas. And yeah, spring na, almost na. And I already used my new shoes. Sabi ko for running, but baby, so cute, so beautiful, and it's so comfortable. Let's see. There's a free gloves too.
What is this?
Sanitizer.
Is it?
But I'm more like the green. Do we have a green one in the back of the car?
Yeah, we do. We got
I'm
that.
more like it. We used to.
Yeah.
So I guess nothing. I need to give it back to you.
No, we You want one?
What?
My phones.
Parang bakla eh. Parang bakla eh.
Hey, take my ring for a second.
Ooh, cold.
Huh?
Cold. Sige, see you guys. Pag nandun na kami or papakita ko sa inyo ang road. Okay.
Beautiful. It's still ice? Frozen?
Yeah. You like the sake?
Ooh. Wow. Cows. Cow. Ooh, hi. It's not cow. Hingkong makinsay. Okay. Maybe. Có gì vậy? Cái sáng? Bột. Cái sáng. Biết là cái sáng. Mình làm rất là được. Rồi. Rồi. Cái này nó sẽ cái con này. Không. Xong rồi. Cái này đi coi thôi. Cái đó. Mình muốn để. Mình phải đi.